Hello everybody, it is Yellowfin and we are out here now at the Freedom Factory Cars and Copters. We've been to the Cars and Coffee before. Now we got some helicopters all around here and we're gonna do a bit of looking around. Only issue is I don't know much about helicopters, so I don't know how much I could provide there, but I do know a bit about the cars we're seeing here, such as the MV Media, Corvette, and a Mark IV Supra right next to it. Is that the one I've seen in Orlando? No, I think that's a different white Mark IV Supra. So there's two, one's up in Orlando, then there's another one here. Both look honestly pretty similar. I know that one in Orlando's tuned as well. I'd assume this one's probably tuned too. It's got a nice kit on it. And we got also over here, a few trucks. There's quite a few trucks over there as well, actually. Oh, that was the Camaro that started up right there. Quite loud, honestly. Very loud, actually. Hey, we got a few of their Ford Crown Vics too. They used in a couple of their videos. Those are pretty nice. Ford Fairline right there. A couple other American muscle cars. El Camino SS, that's sweet. There's a look at those trucks over there too that I was talking about before. We got another nice truck right here. A little JDM Nissan 180SX Bel Air, and that's a Chevy Corvair. First time I've seen one of those. Golf livery on it. That's really sweet. Also Cadillac CTSV wagon on over there. Bronco, we rolled up in a Bronco as well. Not in here in the meet, but we had a Bronco with us. Volkswagen Harman Gia, I think. BMW wagon and a Scat Pack wagon. That's pretty clean. Or maybe it's a Scat Pack conversion, I think. It might be on a Magnum front end. So those look like Magnum taillights, but I'll correct it in editing if I was wrong, but still looks good. Scat Pack front end on a Magnum. Raptor R2 with a nice boat on the back. Rolls Royce, this thing's crazy looking. Damn. What's that next to a Tesla? Yeah, and a Caddy. Damn. And we got the Ford Probe heading on out right now. We'll give that Tesla a look in a second. All right, let's give a closer look at that Tesla, because I heard it's got twin turb skis in it. It does. Twin turb ski Tesla. I mean, that is basically what you got to do if you're going to mod a Tesla and you ain't just putting a body kit on it. Damn. Twin turb skis in the Tesla. Drag slicks on the back too. That's crazy. Also got a few other trucks over there. We'll get a quick look at them. And another truck rolling back right now. Might be heading out. I mean. Merc SUV too. That was over there leaving a bit. We arrived fashionably late, but that's okay. Most of the stuff is still here. All right, so then past the boat too, we got a Honda Acti little key truck, Papa John's thing on the top. Pretty cool, and a little Crown Vic right next to it. Other things are heading out, so we're gonna get some quick looks at it as they roll on by. BMW's rolling out right now. Also got the GTR and the Ferrari 488 right next to it. There's the Whipple supercharged Tahoe, I believe, or it might be the Yenko one. I think it's the Whipple one though. That's the Whippled one. BMW right there. Mustang just started up. Other Mustang GT right there. Grand Cherokee Jeep. Oh, we got a duck. Corvettes through 3 Corvettes. Nice C4 as well. That's pretty clean. Magnum. Got Audi right there. Another Audi right there. Merc. Clean Evo as well. That's real nice. Whenever we'll see the Mustang drive away a little bit. There's the BMW Z3. We've seen that one a few times at Cars and Coffee. They got a little golf cart as well. Audi as well right there. And there's something hiding behind the Grand Cherokee. We'll move a little bit over. There's also a good look at the chopper. There's more Audis rolling on by. It was a Corvette C5 generation. Oh, look, there's a dog in the car. Maybe we should get that for our dog. Hey, and there goes a little Audi rolling on out too. A little bit of noise from it. And there goes the Chevy Corvair too. That thing's real nice. Then if we could get the zoom too, get a better look. That was a Baja truck over there. That thing's actually real sick. That Ford with the rally lights up top. That's like a full Baja truck build. Pretty clean. Hey, we got a little bit of chop from the vet too. A little bit of noise from it. Hey, then here's a look at the other chopper. Pretty cool. Also, we had 2 more trucks right there. Oh, and crazy hot rod for sale around the corner. All right, we'll zoom it back on out. Another nice Audi. There's the Charger RT. I believe we've seen that one a few times at Cars and Coffee in Sarasota. It's pretty nice. Little Miata right there. Oh, slammed Challenger RT. That's actually pretty nice on the floor. Looks pretty good, honestly. I like it. Acura, Chrysler 300, another Beamer. Then we got a few other things over there as well. Some look kind of familiar, others I don't believe we've seen before. You got C7 Vet, new Mustang, old Merc. I think we've seen that Merc around at some car meets. I believe the Ford as well. Challenger, Slam Nissan, and a BMW. Pretty clean. Oh, we missed the Mustang, but it is way on over there. So yeah, pretty good little selection of stuff. Honestly, not bad. Also, a couple other helicopters too. We did arrive late, but I think we got to see the good majority of it. So sorry if we missed you, but I needed a little bit extra sleep. But hey, pretty solid meet. We'll probably come back to another Freedom Factory Cars and Coffee again sometime soon, or another Cars and Copters when another one comes on round. Plus, we got a bunch of Cars and Coffee videos I just posted for Sarasota, and just tons of car spotting and other stuff coming up soon. So definitely subscribe and like, and that'll be it. I'm Elephant. Thanks for watching, and goodbye.